Welcome to the Tech News channel, and if we look at what's happening this year in terms of x86, x64 processors, that means the Intel processors and the AMD Ryzen processors, one thing is clear this year is that AMD increased its dominance over Intel. It is very interesting how they came back from, we almost thought, AMD would have been dead at some point because things didn't go well. But their Ryzen CPUs and series of CPUs is proving to be amazing, powerful, quality, and basically it's actually hitting Intel in the sales. Even I actually purchased my first AMD Ryzen laptop, which says a lot because as a tech guy, I've always been on Intel for the stability and the quality of what it was. AMD often overheated and had problems over years, but the Ryzen CPUs have proven to be really some of the best and the best out there. A lot of benchmarks showing that most of the modern and the more advanced Ryzen CPUs beat Intel CPUs by a pretty large margin too. So I think this is 2020 has proven to be the year where AMD is dominating, and also where Intel is now, maybe with the Ryzen being popular, Mac computers and even Windows and even some other devices looking towards ARM processors for the future. That's where we're wondering where Intel is actually positioning itself. The future doesn't look that great for Intel right now. So this is going to be interesting to look at. And of course, a lot of it will depend on PC sales also. So that's kind of interesting to see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.